forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. Question number 1. This equal to this and this equal to this. Both are not in standard form, means ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first step, we can write 2 into 1 upon root x plus 3 into 1 upon root y and 4 into 1 upon root x minus 9 into 1 upon root y is equal to minus 1. Let 1 upon root x equal to m and 1 upon root y is equal to n. So given equations converted into standard form, 2m plus 3n here equal to 2, I forgot, equal to 2 and 4m minus 9n equal to minus 1. Give equation 1 and 2. Now simplify these two equations either by substitution method, elimination method or cross multiplication method, which you like. Normally we use elimination method. Multiply equation 1 by 3. 3 to just 6n, 3 3 just 9n equal to 6. Equation number 3. Adding equations 2 and 3 implies first write equation 2, 4m minus 9n equal to minus 1. Then write 6m plus 9n equal to 6. And now add. When we add 9 cancel, plus minus 6 or 4, 10m equal to 5. So 10m equal to 5. So m equal to 5 upon 10 means 1 by 2. Now put in m equal to 1 by 2 in equation number 1. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3n equal to 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So 3n equal to 2 minus 1. So n equal to 1 upon 3. So you get both the values. M equal to 1 by 2 or n equal to 1 by 3. But you have to find value of x and y. Since m equal to 1 by 2 implies m means 1 upon root x equal to 1 upon 2. Squaring on both sides. Yeah, first cross multiply and then square. Root x equal to 2. Now squaring on both sides. So x equal to 4. Similarly, n equal to 1 by 3. So 1 upon root y is equal to 1 by 3. Cross multiply, root y equal to 3. Squaring on both sides. So y equal to 9. Next problem. Again convert into standard form. This equation can be expressed as 5 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6 into 1 upon x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 upon y minus 2 equal to 1. Let 1 upon x minus 1 equal to m and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to n. Therefore, then first equation is 5 into m plus n equal to 2 and second equation is 6m minus 3n equal to 1. Now multiply first equation by 3. 3 into equation 1 implies 3 into 5, 15m plus 3n equal to 6. Give equation number 3. Now add equation 2 and 3. So adding equations 2 and 3. 6m minus 3n equal to 1. 15m plus 3n equal to 6. Minus 3n और plus 3n cancel. 15 plus 6 21m equal to 7. So m is equal to 7 upon 21 means 1 upon 3. A value of m is 1 upon x minus 1. Now cross multiply. X minus 1 equal to 3. So x equal to 4. So we get one of the values. Now putting value of m equal to 1 by 3. Equation number 1. Therefore from equation 1, 5 into m means 5 into 1 by 3 plus n is equal to 2. 5 into 1 by 3 means 5 by 3. So n equal to 2 minus 5 upon 3. Now substitute value of n. N is equal to 1 upon y minus 2. Now taking LCM. 3. 3 to just 6 minus 5. Now cross multiply. Y minus 2 into this. 6 minus 5 means 1. So y minus 2 into 1 means y minus 2 equal to 3. So y is equal to 5. Next problem. This equal to this and this equal to this. This equation write as it is, no need to change, only change this one. We can write 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Let 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to m and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to n. So now change given equation in terms of m or n. This equal to m, this equal to n equal to 3 upon 4 and 1 by 2 m minus 1 by 2 n is equal to minus 1 by 8. Next step, m plus n equal to 3 upon m. Cross multiply, nothing is there means 1 is there. So this into this. 4m plus 4n equal to 3 and multiply throughout by LCM of 2 and 8. LCM of 2 and 8, 8. So multiply first term with 4, 8. 8 into 1 by 2, 4m. 8 into 1 by 2 minus 4n equal to minus 1. Give equation number 1 and equation number 2. This is 4n or here minus 4n. Means adding equations 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. 4m plus 4n equal to 3. 4m minus 4n equal to minus 1. Now add 4n or 4n cancel. 8m is equal to 2. So m is equal to 2 upon 8 means 1 upon 4. Now substitute value of m in equation number 1. 4 into m means 1 upon 4 plus 4n is equal to 3. 4 or 4 cancel, so we get 1. 1 plus 4n equal to 3. So 4n equal to 3 minus 1, 2. So n equal to 2 upon 4, 1 by 2. Okay, now substitute value of m or n. M is equal to 1 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4, and in place of n write 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 1 upon 2. Cross multiply this into this. 3x plus y equal to 4 and 3x minus y equal to 2. This into this and this into this. So again we get two more equations. Give names 4 and 5. Now adding equations 4 and 5. This plus this, 3x plus y equal to 4, 3x minus y equal to 2, minus, heading, so no need to write, y or y cancel, 6x equal to 6, so x is equal to 1. Now substitute value of x in any of the equation. So therefore from equation 4, x equal to 1, so 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4, so 3 plus y equal to 4, so y is equal to 1. Next problem, this equal to this and this equal to this. First step, separate 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15, and 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. X and y both are in denominator, means both not equal to 0. It is given in the question, because we can't divide any number by 0. So we can cut x or x cancel, y or y cancel, x or x cancel, y or y cancel. So 8 upon y, we can write 8 into 1 upon y plus 7 into 1 upon x equal to 15, and 7 into 1 upon y minus 2 upon x, minus 2 into 1 upon x equal to 5. Let 1 upon x equal to m and 1 upon y equal to n. So therefore 8 into 1 upon y means 8 into n plus 7 into m is equal to 15. Give equation 1, and 7 into n minus 2 into m equal to 5. Give equation number 2. Now solve these two equations by elimination method. Multiply equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 7. 1 into 2, 8 2 ja 16n, 2 7 ja 14m, 15 2 ja 30. Equation number 3. Equation 2 into 7. 7 7 ja 49n minus 14m is equal to 7 5 ja 35. Equation number 4. Now adding both equations. 8. This plus this. 49 plus 16. 65m. 14m minus 14m cancel is equal to 65. So n is equal to 1. Now put n equal to 1 in equation 1. So 8 into 1 8 into 1 8 plus 7m is equal to 15. So 7m is equal to 7. So m equal to 1. After this, n equal to 1 implies n means 1 upon y. Cross multiply 1 means we can write 1 upon 1. So y into 1 y is equal to 1. And m is equal to 1. And value of m is 1 upon x. Again cross multiply x into 1x equal to 1. Next problem. 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. ये क्वेश्चन बिल्कुल प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन जैसा दिखाई दे रहा है आपको, but we can't divide both sides by x y. Why? Because we don't know value of x and y. Maybe x equal to 0, y equal to 0, or we can't divide any number by 0. So in this question, this is a very special question. So use different method. Give equation number 1, equation number 2. Now multiply equation 2 by 3. Equation 2 into 3 implies 2x into 3 6x plus 3 4 is 12y is equal to 5 3 is 15xy. Give equation number 3. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 3. 3 minus equation 1, 6x plus 12y equal to 15xy, and 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. Now subtract minus minus minus, cancel 12y minus 3y, 9y is equal to 15 minus 6, 9xy. We can cancel 9 or 9, 9 1 ja 9, 9 1 ja 9. Now y minus xy equal to 0. xy को इधर भेज दो, RHS से LHS. Now taking common y, so 1 minus x equal to 0. Product of two number is 0, means one of the number is 0. So either y equal to 0 or 1 minus x equal to 0. Implies y equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Send x left side, so x equal to 1. We get two values. Case first. Y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0 in any of the equation. 6x plus 3y, so 3 into 0 equal to 6x or y equal to 0. Now simplify. 6x equal to 0. So x equal to 0. When y equal to 0, corresponding value of x is also 0. Case second. Take x equal to 1. Now put x equal to 1 in equation 1. 6 into 1 plus 3y is equal to 6 into 1 into y. 6 plus 3y is equal to 6y. 6 equal to 6y minus 3y. 3y. Dividing both sides by 3. So 2 equal to y. So when x equal to 1, corresponding value of y is 2. So there are two answers. 0, 0 and 1, comma 2. In next video, we will do more questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.